In this video, we're going to talk about hormonal health and weight loss. Now, maybe you didn't know that hormonal health and weight loss were connected, or maybe you've been struggling with both. We're going to give you several strategies and tips to support you in achieving hormonal health and weight loss in this video coming up. My name is Dr. Drlisalewis. I'm a naturopathic doctor and I'm an acupuncturist, a wellness expert, and so many people come to me with hormonal health challenges or weight loss challenges. I think most are coming with both. People say, I've changed my diet, I've taken out everything I can possibly take out, I don't eat any more wheat, no dairy, I eat vegetables all the time, I'm exercising like crazy, and I'm still gaining weight. Or they've done so amazing on their weight loss journey, and then all of a sudden they get to a certain weight and it stops, their weight loss stops, they plateau. There's a huge connection between hormonal health and weight loss. Now, the challenge is that, number one, most people don't recognize the two are connected. Most people think that they can just work out their way, through weight loss, or they can starve themselves or change their diet through weight loss. But if your hormones are out of balance, it's going to be very difficult to lose weight. There's so many hormones that are connected to how your body is able to either lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. So insulin, another important hormone that is responsible for regulating your blood sugar. So if, again, your insulin levels are high or triggered by, say, a high carbohydrate, high sugar meal, then you're going to continue to have spikes of insulin. It's going to go up and go down. Now, you've had blood sugar dysregulation. That's similar to what most people would consider if they had, say, they're pre-diabetic or diabetic. Their bodies are having a hard time either releasing insulin or they have insulin resistance, what they consider insulin resistance. And so their body's not able to manage carbohydrates effectively. Now, the important thing about insulin and weight gain is that insulin actually is a fat storing hormone. So it causes your body to hold, and even if we're almost starving, it will still cause you to hold fat. So it's really important to make sure that your blood sugar is balanced, that your insulin levels are balanced, and maintaining a healthy carbohydrate, fat, and protein balance in your meals will make sure that you don't store too much carbohydrate in the form of fat into your body. So making sure your insulin is balanced is exceptionally important for hormonal health. So we've talked about the causes of hormone imbalance and weight gain. We talked about insulin, which again, we'll have another video, a more detailed video in relation to diabetes and weight gain. All of these things can contribute to weight gain. So if you are running on that treadmill, exercising like crazy, eating very little, practically starving yourself for eating an amazing diet, and you're still gaining weight, or at least you can't lose weight, I encourage you to look at your hormones and get tested to understand what hormones are out of balance so that you can achieve your weight loss goals a lot faster. I have a nice gift for you, a free gift in the description of information of how to balance your hormones. So I encourage you to download that and subscribe, because we're going to have tons more videos about hormonal health coming in the future. So I look forward to being able to support you in balancing your hormones and with losing weight easily, more efficiently. And I'll see you in the next video.